Yeah, today is Wednesday, the 9th of September. Heck of a day. Got all my personal property out of my old factory that I sold. Engine lift, engine stands, storage box. The high dollar stuff is this rigid pipe threader. That thing's called a mule for a very large pipe. Some tools, pipe stand, good workbench with vise, 12 ton hydraulic press, my 90-year-old draw cut. It's a Marvel #2. A Hobart welder, another toolbox, and some smalls. I'm telling you, I worked my rear end off today. The owners of my company were nice enough to let me use the fork truck, which helped tremendously. And it was just a hell of a day. I mean, I worked all day long. The only thing that got damaged was one thing I like the most is my little Marvel #2. It came off the forks and knocked the start capacitor off. It's already repaired. Oh man, I worked all day long, but it's done. All my stuff is out of my old factory, so the new owners are pleased with that, of course. They were kind enough to let me leave it there. You know, I just had the heart surgery, but they were kind enough to let me leave it there until I recovered enough to get it all out. Had a man come by just now to spray foam this building. Of course, he wants all my stuff out, and they will remove this old insulation, power wash the building, let it dry, and then spray foam it. He will seal up everything. He wants to spray foam over the skylights, and it's not like a hell deal to me. So he's going to spray foam over those and maybe seal this building up. Then I can repair the doors and get it somewhat vermin proof. But again, like I said, I worked my tail off today. I might bring in another 20-foot shipping container. Do some measuring. Should fit where this kennel section is and not block the door, I think. Again, I have to do some measuring. And that'll give me more storage pretty easily. It's going to be a tight fit. And they actually make one smaller than 20 foot. Don't need much. So that's a good possibility. Jordan and I got this dang space heater off the ceiling. Nobody got hurt. Made a hell of a noise when it crashed to the ground. I had to sacrifice a 1-inch strap. Don't care. This thing, man, every time I parked a tractor near this heater, I was always paranoid about cracking my head on it. I'm so happy that thing is down. And like I said, man, I worked hard today. Nice thing is, most everything can be moved out of the building. It's all on some type of roller system. All the heavy stuff is. So I still got a lot of work to do. Gotta fill these troughs with concrete, cut these stubs off where they're coming up. I'm not sure you can see them. The old cage system inside the building, they have posts coming up out of the slab. Need to cut all those things flush. And price he quoted to spray foam the building, remove the old insulation. There's a lot of work. It was $5,200. And I'm telling you, building is 1,200 square foot, so it's decent size. And with what I brought in, apparently it's going to be a metal fab shop. Give me something to do. I can weld, I can cut, I can fit, I can do everything. Over there at my old company, they will need pipe threading done, they will need fab done, so I can do that through the LLC that I have. But yeah, it was a hell of a day, and I'm telling you, I am tired. I'm still up here trying to get enough energy to head towards the house. But anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.